Coachable ka, hindi pwede na pag ganito ang ang turo sa iyo, iba yung ginagawa mo. Kaya very important na nandito kayo because I will value self. What's the word? Value self to you. Bakit importante ang coaching? And kayo rin later on, you also value self to your direct reports or subordinates, whatever you call them, right? So, value of coaching. Okay, the origin, simple lang, galing siya sa kalesa. Nakasakay na kayo ng kalesa? Yung hinihila ng kabayo, English yan, coach. Tama? So doon pala nang galingan yung coaching. Because the kalesa will bring you from point A to point B. Right? Yun ang coaching will bring you from the point A, where are you now, and where you want to go. Okay? So galing sa dyan. Galing sa dyan. Para, pag sinabing coaching, yun pala yung simula. Diba? Very important. And what is coaching? According to ICF, siyempre, no? I'm a graduate of the ICF, International Coach Federation. So this is what I'm teaching you. Okay? Coaching is partnering with clients in a thought-provoking and creative process that inspire them to maximize their personal and professional potential. Okay? What's the key word? Partnering. What's the word? Partnering. Okay, so now, you partner with your direct reports. Okay, and now, in a thought-provoking process, meaning na-challenge ang mindset. Hindi yung puro ikaw lang ang nag-download. Dapat ito yung gawin mo, ito yung gawin mo. Okay, dapat may proseso. Later on, no, gagawin natin yan. Para ma-develop yung personal and professional na potential niya. Okay, and coaching is a human development tool siya. A nurturing and transformational approach that ultimately brings out the innermost potential of individuals. They're known and unknown. Di ba ang coach? Example, basketball. Bakit na-develop ang isang player? Kasi nakikita ng coach. So mayroon silang blind spot. What's the word? Blind spot. Ang coach ang nakakita. Okay, that's why, pag nakita mo yan, okay, ito yung dapat mong gawin, tinuturuan mo siya. Pinapartner mo para maging successful siya. Kasi pag nagiging successful siya, anong mangyayari sa'yo? Magiging successful ka rin. Because you are the reflection of your team. And it is only that you will be able to duplicate yourself. What's the word? Duplicate. Reproduce mo yung sarili mo. Imagine, ilan sa team mo, ma'am? Ilan ang mo? Stop. 11. Imagine yung 11, pareho sa iyo mag-isip. Are you getting me? Hindi kayo masaya, hindi kayo lahat ng gusto nyo marating ma-achieve ninyo. Pero 11, yung dalawa lang ang pareho mag-isip sa iyo, yung the rest wala. Anong problema? Anong mangyayari? Problema. Right? So again, do not be selfish. This is the thing of a coach. Coaching is not about selfishness. You are there to duplicate yourself. Paramihin po, spread your DNA. Okay? Kasi marami sila, meaning to say, chances of success are there. Okay? Huwag yung, ang iba kasi takot, right? Diba? Ayaw nilang i-share yung sarili. Kasi baka, sir, balitan ako. You know what? Yeah, di ba? Kasi siya yung papalit sa akin. Do not be afraid about that. Because you know, that person became magaling. Kasi bakit? Dahil sa'yo. Credit yan sa'yo. Okay? And sa amin, no, pag kikita kami ng mga kasama namin ng managers before, mga leaders, ang pinag-usapan, hindi benta lang. Pinag-usapan, ilan yung na-promote mo. Ilan yung na-develop mo na leaders. Iyan yung na-develop mo na coach. Yan ang pinag-usapan namin doon. Okay? So, what is coaching is not. Okay? Minsan kasi natin, interchange. Okay? Mentoring. Kasi minsan, ma'am, I want you to meet my mentor. Sir, I want you to meet my coach. So, what is mentoring? Okay? Simple lang, mentoring, the mentor is the content expert. Meaning, marami akong i-share sa'yo. Diba? In which, mo na itong ginagawa, yan ang palagi natin ginagawa, right? Halika dito, tinuturuan mo yung mga direct reports mo. That's mentoring. Okay. Meron din tinatawag na counseling. Okay, counseling is past-oriented. Meaning, di ba, pag nagka-counsel ka, dinadala ka ng facilitator saan? Balik. Di ba? Remember when you were young, di ba? Elementary ka. Kaya ka naging ganito kasi binubuli ka nung bata ka pa. Di ba? Your past plays a very vital role kung bakit ganito ka ngayon. Di ba? So dadalhin ka doon sa facilitator. Tama? Okay, but ang coaching hindi. Coaching is future-oriented. Okay, it happened. So, anong gawin natin ngayon next? Diba? Hindi yung sandali lang, back na tayo. Kaya pala, kasi, di ba? Awa ka naman, pag-ikot talaga tayo. Wala na. Di ba? So, future, okay, so it happened, ganito. So, how can we move forward? Okay? But have you tried? Ano nagawa mo na? What are the obstacles? What are the opportunities? What are the options that you're going to do? That's coaching. Okay? More, consulting is providing answers while coaching helps individual to look for the answer. Consulting kami, consultants kami, right? So pag may problema ang isang company or individual, we provide answers agad. While coaching is siya yung mag-find ng answer. Okay? And training, syempre, no, teaching while coaching is evoking. So nati-train, tinuturuan tayo. Okay. And psychotherapy is problem-oriented. Di ba? Ang psych, di ba? Kinakausap ka, anong problema, ganyan. Pero tayo sa coaching, what? Solution-oriented. May problema, we accept the reality. Again, remember my word, reality. That's the real situation ngayon. And how can we move forward? Solution-oriented tayo. Okay, and what is the true power of coaching? Simple lang daw. True power of coaching, if there's new behavior, new person, and my transformation. My new attitude. What's the keyword? New. Okay, bago. Okay, kasi bakit nga bago? Kasi if you are doing the same things, expecting the same different result, that's insan. Ano yung insan? Insanity. Okay, kahibangan, kabuang lang yapo na. That's why coaching is something new. That's why alam mo ang tagline, new mindset, new actions for new results. Okay, medyo busy slide, but the point is simple lang. This is based on study. Ang study of companies and individuals na nag-undergo ng coaching. And what they are telling is that most company become successful and individuals become successful because of what? Because of coaching. And hindi lang coach na coach. Meaning to say, ang coach sila are certified coach. Meaning trained properly. Marami kasi hindi naman tayo marami dyan na pag naka-train lang ng 1 week, coach na kaagad. Diba? So, but iba ang certified coach. Kami licensed coach kami. Okay? So, dapat tama ang tinuturo. Okay?